In this video, I will show you how to sculpt the infected sky monster and the yellow SHIN Sonic. Please give the video a like before it starts. It motivates me to create high-quality content more often. And if you leave a comment related to the video, I'll be sure to reply or give it a like. In an alternate universe, the infected sky is a terrifying, colossal entity that emerged during a mysterious pandemic, where mechanical objects like airplanes began transforming into organic beings. Towering and grotesque, this creature is a blend of flesh and metal, growing more menacing with each passing day as it becomes a greater threat to the environment and humanity itself. Initially resembling a large aircraft, the entity gradually morphed into a monstrous fusion of steel and flesh. Many describe it as a plane fused with a living organism. Its head is partially made from an airplane's fuselage, while long tentacle-like appendages sprout from its back, capable of extending and reaching out like deadly whips. Standing at several stories tall, its sheer size and grotesque form cast an overwhelming shadow wherever it appears. The first sighting of the infected sky occurred over the Atlantic Ocean before it began its landward destruction, decimating cities in its path. This monstrous entity moves freely across both land and sea, feeding on biological matter, including humans. Uniquely, it also absorbs radiation, which only accelerates its growth, increasing its size and making it even more lethal. Every step of the infected sky brings ruin. Buildings crumble, cities fall, and the radiation it carries in its wake is deadly to any living thing. As it nears, the air becomes toxic with radiation, killing people long before the creature even touches them. It has the horrific ability to infect both humans and machines, turning them into monstrous versions of itself, spreading its corrupted form. Born in the mid-20th century as a result of some catastrophic experiment, possibly involving radiation or bioengineering, the origins of the infected sky remain a grim mystery. It stands as a reminder of a world where the line between organic life and mechanical existence has been erased, a science fiction nightmare come to life. Super Sonic is a form of Sonic the Hedgehog that is activated by the 7 Chaos Emeralds. He first appeared in Sonic the Hedgehog 2 and has become one of Sonic's most powerful states. Super Sonic has a golden or yellow color and a glowing aura, which can take either a smooth or fiery form. Sonic's squeals stand up due to the massive release of energy. Super Sonic is incredibly fast, almost invincible, and can fly. This form significantly increases his strength and speed, makes him immune to most attacks, and allows him to use the Emerald's energy to deliver powerful blows. Yellow Shin Sonic is a fan-created character, representing a distorted, sinister version of Super Sonic. Sonic fans often create alternate versions of this character, like Shin Sonic, to diversify the universe and bring something new. Yellow versions like Super Sonic became popular thanks to the original game series, and they have inspired the creation of many other variations and characters, both from official sources and fan projects. Here's what my Titan Infected Sky and Super SHIN Sonic turned out like. Leave a comment on which character you like the most and who I should sculpt in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.